Alright, y'all, we have a Amazon unboxing for you guys. Wow, we have to see how this works. Alright, so we got some instructions here. You're supposed to put water and or ice in it, and it has a USB cord. Kinda heavy. Kinda heavy, yo. Can't wait to see how this works. It's bubble wrap. Alright, y'all, so it says you are supposed to put less than 500 milliliters in there. So, can you hold that up there, please? So I'm doing 400 milliliters. I hope I don't make a mess. Fireworks, y'all. Okay, so they also have a water level here. You can see the water there. Okay, we're gonna plug it in. Try the other way. Okay. So then one of these is the power button, so let's see. Wow. Look at that. Y'all hear it? Oh my goodness, it's really blowing.
I hear it too.
It's blowing, you guys. Wow. So I got this from Amazon. It was like $23. So that's a nice size, as you can see. You put those ice cubes in there and it get colder. This is nice, y'all. I love it. I love it.